What's up mga paps? So, kami subong ni Jill sa Puerto Real. Nag-practice din ang team ko for the last time. Kaya may presentation kami karon sa awards night. No? Basa-basa ako. Balaan nyo naman, basta may mga awards night, may aray kami ng mga presentation. Kag-contest na siya. Do mapusla naman ang amon presentation. So, maproceed kami subong sa SM. Kay hambal ni Jill, ang akon kuno nga sapatos, hindi na ni kuno pwede. Okay? Hindi ni kuno awards night worthy. So bakala kami sapatos para daw okay man kuno ang amox ko sa awards night bala. Para daw mahambal man ang tao nga waya ko napabayan. Makadto kami sa mong SM kag manyaga and then ma-shop sang sapatos kag kung ano-ano da nga pwede Tapat lapa, liman siya eh.
Dati bagay sa Masquerade.
Then, ay hindi na yan, hindi na yan. Ito casual shoe na yan. Kasi nga talakat ha. Okay man. Anong baklon mo ka? Tapos, bow tie.
Islan ko na lang ang sulod. Ang ilang sulod.
Paligbi mayo. Okay na? Sigurado nga gwapo na ako karon? Okay. Okay, it's time to go home. Kagpahuway kay ang bagyo. Ari na din sa Iloilo. So, may gamay nga drizzle. Bagyo, drizzle lang. Lahol-law ang bagyo, Samuel.
5 hours later.
Ang awards night namon, like I said, every year ni. Every year, different theme. So, ang theme namon subong is Masquerade Ball. By the way, ginhire ko naman liwat. Ginhire ko naman liwat akon nga ano, akon nga stylist. Okay, ang mahal to pala last year. Kaning ma-style sa akon. So, hindi ako gusto nga manghulam lang ko. So, may lang kakita kami. Ha?
Bulag-bulag be.
So, muning maskara ko ay kung naging tukang-tukangan na. Okay na niya. Ang iba niya kin-stylean pa nila. Ito, hindi kay go sa Ilonggo. Lakat na ko ready. Thank you, Ged. Thank you, Ged. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Ayun, di pongkit. Okay. So, thank you sa stylist ko. Kailangan na ko. Bye-bye. 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 Okay. Malakat na si Pee Wee Herman. Saan tayo na-get?
Ako na.
Okay. Bagabi, stylist ko. Siya na stylist ko, siya pagkabukas cake. Bye ga! Bye. Bye-bye. Okay, so ay nang subong sa Marriott. Kaya inulan pa, katalit eh. So basa ako. Pero okay lang. May pa man kaumpisagit. Picture pa man sila. Okay, I'm with my beautiful division director, Ma'am Carla. Always beautiful ginaya si Ma'am ya.
Picture.
Hello.
Ilonggo dad, he's the best.
Ano ni mga Ilonggo dad? Mga winners. Hoy, pogi.
Guys,
Okay, so ayun na, maumpisa na daw.
Ma'am Carla, sir.
Okay. Bali, malinya kami. Kag isa-isa masulod. So, are the host of the night.
Hello, Ilonggo Dad.
So, subscribe nga mo sa channel.
Channel 2, ABS-CBN. See you later.
Okay, ready na ka mo ha? Game face.
You know us.
Kilala mo ba kami? Ha? Ito, kilala nyo? Ha? Kilala nyo? Ha? Kilala nyo siya?
Do you know her?
Si ano yan? Si Darna yan. Ito si ano to? Liza to. Liza Soberano. Oh.
Ano kaya, sir?
Si ano? Si Catherine. Siyempre. Si ano? Jericho. Oh. Halik. Basta balong ka gwapa, ma'am. Habulon mo man siya, gwapa man siya. Oh. Gwapa ka man bala. Ikaw man, Fritz. Gwapo ka man. Ikaw, gwapo ka man. Gwapo ka gid karon.
Ay, gusto ko. Wala. Ano na, Pero nung ay kayo nakastop.
Naging dalada siya nga uninvited guest. Shh, gwa ano da?
Hello, sir.
Hello mga pops! Team Valiant, Falcons, Maxicon, Maximus, and Supreme.
So, okay, nakaplastar na kami di. Pinungko na kami.
To all our teams, good evening Marriott, good evening Sir Lau.
Good evening, Ray. Glamorous men and women in a single occasion, and I have to admit this is my first Masquerade Ball, by the way.
Okay, actually this is also my first Masquerade Ball. Okay,
First
and I know everyone.
So, chibog time na kami. Chibog time. Kapusok. Okay.
Marriott.
Alright.
Mr. Maynard Canto!
Alright.
Isa Para!
$1,852,400.
Congratulations! Congrats!
Natalie Caina! Initiative, sheer enthusiasm, and interest in the work is often enough to drive this property specialist. Work gets the work done with little to no encouragement. Our top 4 goes to
Gwapo-gwapo, kiniguro mo.
our Ilonggo band, Ernest Aya Magili.
Okay, congratulations to our Ilonggo dad, Sir Ernest Ayan Hagrid. So, to our top
Congrats, sir.
10 to top
Tao kita. Okay, Mario.
So, I know most of you are excited. Are you excited to know who's the best for the night? Yes.
Salamat sa wine. Congrats! Yay! Cheers! Okay.
Next we have Miss.
Dana kung sino nagdaog sa presentation. So,
Okay, so
may chance kami
the division
Tatlo man lang kami.
win in this
Ay, na.
competition will get an overnight stay at Courtyard by Marriot Hotel. So this year's best performer goes to Division Conqueror!
Sakit?
Are made up of individuals that trust each other and are able to put aside differences. Our top team goes to Team Maximus.
Team Maximus, everyone.
Carla Margarita Perez and was conferred to Mr. Ernest Ayon.
Payaman! No? Diba?
Congratulations once again, Team Maximus. But before you leave, Miss Carla and Sir Ernest, kindly look at our screen because we have prepared something for you.
We love you. Thank you for always being there. You're not the one, and that I appreciate that you work hard for us. Thank you.
And we hear a few words also from Sir Ernest.
Okay, so with behalf kay Ma'am Carla and the managers Mansang Division ng mga awards nga nabaton tayo let's treat that as a reminder na sa Lokabudlay, everything is possible.
Yes!
Okay? So, ang awards nga is just kolorete lang ng isang real success in life na to, which is achieving for what we do, what we love, our family, our faith, no? Sa tanan ng nakabagong sa awards, sa aming team, thank you very much.
So at this point, we are going to award they lived up to the name of their name. Our top division is no other than
Division Alpha. Division Alpha.
Yes!
And at this point, we will be giving
Okay, Jesus back.
a certificate of recognition.
Welcome
actually.
back. Fresh from the States.
All right, the certificate.
Amoy LA.
host for tonight's event.
Enjoy the rest of the evening and thank you very much and God bless. Thank you very much.
Okay! Subscribe ha! Subscribe! Subscribe!
Ilonggo!